Good morning, everyone. Oh, I'm feeling better this morning. A lot better. Oh, plans today. We're actually going out today. Well, to the best I can, because I haven't got my stick or my crutch or anything. I'm going to try my best. I've got some bands and that on, so I'm not sure what I'm going to catch because it's live music and I could get copyrighted. So, we'll take you with us, see what I can get. Big pillows.
Why don't you just sit?
I just said to him, we can eat out here. Just sit there. Watch your tablet. You don't spill it on your tablet.
Put Harvey's.
I think he's coming out.
He won't able to carry that out. He'll fall with it.
No, you can't let him come out. Put that down.
He's on his way out now.
Yeah. So, yeah, plans today. We're nipping into Barnard Castle. They've got some band and other bits and bobs on, but like I say, depends on what I can film, because with it being live music, copywriting, so we'll just see what we get later. If not, I'll have to just do a load of 10-second clips and then just put them all on in one go, won't I? That's all I can do. We'll see how we get on later. Mel's there chilling, half asleep like all of us at the minute. Yeah.
Having a coffee to wake up.
Yeah, coffee, Andrew's eating.
I'm being George.
So anyway, not sure if this is an actual new part of the video. If it is, good morning to you all. Hope you're all okay. But anyway, we will catch you soon. Ta-da for now. Right, off out soon. Everyone's just getting ready. I've got to change. It's all gone empty. Everybody's gone, look. They're going over there in front of us. No, everybody's going. Mel's in there getting sorted in the tent. Jenson's here. I can't see him. There he is.
Hello.
Harvey and Andrew is in here doing something. They're in there doing something. You're not meant to. But no, they're all getting sorted. We're all getting ready, so I'm just waiting for Tina to get sorted so I can get sorted. So I thought I'd just have a little show around that it's all empty. Looks weird now. But I'll tell you one thing, where we're going into Barnard Castle. But blinking traffic along here on the main road into it, really busy, so I think it's going to be quite a busy place what we're doing today. Probably. Have to wait and see when we get there. Hopefully we get a parking space.
No, we'll have to come back.
No, it looks weird. It's all empty now. I feel all to ourselves pretty much. It's just the one tent obviously here in front of us. But everyone's going. Well, we're off tomorrow, but we're going to another site. If our indicators work, that's the only problem. So, might catch you before, or we'll catch you when we're there. So we'll see you in a bit. Hey up guys, back we're at this little show or something they got here at Barnard Castle. Harvey's here, they're going on the rides and that in a minute. Going on the slide and got all sorts here actually. I'm doing a video quickly now because obviously they haven't got any music playing. And obviously copyright, so I might as well do a quick video now. But they've got obviously bits here for the kids to do, as you can see. Throwing things and whatever, bowling, but they're not sure what you can see. Let me turn my screen up so I can actually see what you can see. Oh, hang on guys. Phone's not playing ball. That's better. Right, kids in here, but I've got all throw bits here. Got all ride bits here, behind me here. Just behind us here. Funny little bits and bobs. Andrew's on the swing there. Harvey, you want to come and say hello?
Hello.
Oh, come here so they can see you.
Hello.
Here he is.
I can go under there.
What, do you want to go on the slide?
No, I can go under.
Oh, you're going underneath? Yeah. Where? Show us then. Right, yeah, show us. There he is, coming under. Do you want to go down the slide?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Anything we have right there?
Yeah, I've got to come off for a second just so I can take him down the slide. Give us 1 sec.
Yeah.
I'm coming. See you through the hole. Can you see yourself on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're there.
Yeah.
And you got a bit here as well, look. Andrew's just over there with Mel at the minute. Are you coming down the slide?
Yeah.
Watch Harvey come down the slide.
No, you can get down here.
Oh, Daddy won't get his fat bum in there. Wants me to go down the slide. That's not going to happen.
Can go on there.
Can you? Right, I think the music's starting to start, so I'm going to have to come off and get some clips. So, catch you all in a bit. See you soon. He's swinging.
Yeah.
Gonna go higher?
Yeah.
Right, hang on, let's wait for him to come then. Now push. And push. Whee! Oh, funny swing, I've never seen one before. Look at that one. Strange looking swing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think adults can get on there with the child behind. Andrew's spinning.
I want to go on that.
Do you want to go on it? You've got to hold on though. Do you want to go on it?
Yeah.
Let me pause you guys a minute. And we're back. Sorry guys, Tina's gone to get something from the shop, so I'm left with all the kids at the minute.
I'm getting on too. Okay, focus it on.
I'm not going to spin too quick though, because Harvey's on it. Are you holding on?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Go faster.
You're right there. I won't go no faster until you're all alright. You're spinny, spinny, spinny.
You alright? Yeah.
Whee! You dizzy yet?
No.
No, you dizzy yet? Looks like Jenson at Parker, you're going to fall off there, lad. Is your bum on? Andrew whacks his head. Spin. Spin. Woo! Hold on, Parker. Are we speeding up? Shall we go faster?
Yes.
Hang on, let me get a pole. 1, 2. Meow. And then Andrew's the first to fall off. He's the loser.
I'm holding on. Holding on, and then I went,
Are you going again?
yeah.
Yeah. We'll get Andrew one. Are we ready? Who's going to lose? Who's going to fall off first? Are you holding on?
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah?
I'm going to hold on.
Let's get it going. It's hard to get a grip.
And it's going to be hard for Harvey. Hold on, Harvey.
Andrew's already going, look, nearly there. Oh, Parker's hanging. Parker's hanging. Is Parker going to try and squeeze back on? What are you doing? Look at Parker here. He's like gone in a ball. Are you ready to go a bit faster? No? Oh, we've got to wait for Parker.
Wait for Marcia.
Mel's coming with Jenson.
No.
Sorted?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whee! No, it's alright, your bum's still on at the minute. Oh, Parker's moving to the edge. Loads to do here. I'm hoping I don't get copyright because I can hear music in the background, but I'll try and dim it by denoising and see what happens. But you've got all the bits over there in the tent. Don't know where Tina is, she's still not here. That's where you come in. Mel chilling over there on the glass. She's got the right idea.
Go faster.
You sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Are you hanging on?
Yeah.
Oh God, they're all leaning on the edge here. Parker's bum's hanging off. Oh, Andrew's on the edge, Parker's on the edge. Harvey's staying on quite well actually.
I'm not on the bottom.
Right, it's slowing down. You can shift yourself forward into the middle a bit more now. Well, so if you can. Still spinning. I'll have to put some music in the background for this, won't I? This will be right. Funny video. So Parker was there. No, Andrew fell off the first one. Parker was literally on the edge. Are you on?
Wait until it stops.
Let's stop it so they can organise themselves. Are you all done now?
Yeah. I'm not.
Shall we get Andrew spinning then?
Oh, you get
Oh, hang on. Harvey's on it, so we can't go too fast. Harvey, are you staying on?
No.
Alright, you get off then.
Oh. Harvey, spin!
Andrew's gonna go dizzy.
Stop it!
Why, you had enough?
No.
Oh, you just said to me to stop it.
Harvey.
Oh, chewing gum is here. Who's put that there? It's all on my bleeding shoe.
I can't see it because I can see it.
I'm going to try and go on the grass and get it off. Ah, Tina's back. Watch that, Harvey. Don't stand in that. I've just done it. Picking chewing gum, disgusting. And there's bins about. Right, leave these to play for a bit. I'm going to go and sit there and chill with the guys there. See you soon. Andrew and Harvey on the spinning cups, look. I'll go a bit quicker. Going round and round.
Hold on.
Oh, Harvey can't. Now it'll be Andrew. Harvey! Come here. Round and round you go.
I'm in the top one.
What?
You drink a pot.
Yes, I know. You're in one now.
Oh, yeah?
No juice. I can't drink it, you're moving. Say hello. Spin it then. You gotta stop now.
Stop!
Oh, guys, look at this. Another big kid on the swing. We'll catch them in a minute when Harvey's had a swing. See you in a sec. Let's go quickly see Tina. Hopefully you can't hear that music too much. Just have a look at the big kid on here, look. Look. You're right there, enjoying yourself. Yeah, I bet you are, big and swinging.
It's going to be hilarious if it gets snapped.
And I've got to keep with Harvey. Mel's chilling over there. Let's get back to Harvey. Are we going a bit quicker this time?
Yeah.
I'll go to the front so we can get you on camera, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll try to get myself on here.
What, with Harvey?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on, let me get back to you in a minute, guys. Yeah, I know, look at this, on that swing I showed you a minute ago. Go a bit higher. Oh, come on, get some effort in.
Whoa.
Woo! Why?
I'm doing it. Daddy's not pushing.
Yeah, look, I'm here. Hey, say hi, Harvey. He's going high on this one. Look, up he goes. Woo! Even Tina's enjoying herself.
I'm on the holidays. On the holidays.
Don't go behind. What you doing? Stay there, Andrew. He's going higher than you. I don't know. Whoever's seen a swing like this? Because I never have. I won't go any higher. Oh, there we go. Mum can get you out because I'm pooped. We'll get back to you in a bit, guys. Hey guys, we're back. We're at a different place now. Just in a little park up the road from the campsite, and it's like a little house estate, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
We're just been to the shops. Mel and that got here before. It says Mel, Harvey's on there. No. I can't spin that, Harvey. The thing don't work properly. And Tina's there. So just going to chill here for a bit and then shoot back to the campsite, I suppose. Well, you over there? And Andrew is... Hang on. There. Clean up as well when we get back as well. Just sort out Caravan's a tip, as usual. So...
Put everything outside and then sort it that way.
Yeah, might be best bet. Right, anyway, gonna chill here. We'll see you back at site. So see you shortly. Till our everyone.